过去这24点钟内，两党拢是拼性命伫咧吹票。近日，这民主党的总统候选人何锦丽选举政治案呢，伊伫咧摇摆州槟城上界大城市费城举行这选情之夜，现场是有找这歌手Lady Gaga，也有脱口秀主持人欧普拉来甲助讲。伊若讲要甲这美国头一位查某总统送入去白宫。
选情最后一日，过手苏赢州宾州，美国民主党总统候选人何锦丽伫费城度过选情之夜。
We are the promise of America. I see its promise in the fathers and the mothers and the grandparents across our nation who work so hard every day for our children's future. I see it in the women who refuse to accept a future without reproductive freedom. And in the men who support them.
何锦丽最后一场造势演讲，回应选民对经济和社会现况的忧心。
贺锦丽在选前之夜请来的巨星，包含女神卡卡，还有脱口秀主持人欧普拉，看得出来，即使到了最后一天，贺锦丽阵营还是强调女力的重要性，要把美国史上第一位女总统送进白宫。
歌手 Lady Gaga 呼吁女性选民伫投票日为着女性的将来做出决定。
What you can do for every pregnant young woman who has died because she was not eligible to receive the emergency medical care she desperately needed because of an abortion ban.
欧普拉强调女性伫美国社会的困境，现场表演脱秀，呼吁少年一辈的选民爱出来投票。 波多黎各的歌手 Ricky Martin 是以唱歌跳舞点燃拉丁的背景的骄傲，回应 Trump 伫纽约造势大会讲笨手岛的事件风波，让我的支持者更加关心外交政策。
And his tariffs are either not going to go through or are going to be like beneficial to China. So he is more pro-China than we want to admit, and that is by its nature bad for Taiwan.
I do believe Harris will support Taiwan and all forms of democracy, you know, and freedom from oppression and, you know, tyranny.
美国选民去年的一票，唔能影响美国的未来，嘛看见未来4年台美两国的关系要安怎发展。公司国际记者彭祖哲，美国费城报道。